Good morning, students. I welcome you all. Myself, Baby Rawat, your English teacher. I hope you all are fine and safe along with your family members. Today, I'll continue the chapter, The Little Girl. In previous tutorial, we read that Kezia, who was a little girl, she was scared of her father, and she would feel that how fathers were like that, and one day she was beaten by her father because she had torn important papers of her father. But one day, when her mother was hospitalized and grandmother accompanied her mother, and she was at home with her father, she feels something about her father, and what was that? That we will read. So let's begin. In previous paragraph, we read that Kezia was left alone in the house with Alice, their cook, and her father, but she was scared. What will I do if I have a nightmare? Nightmare means a bad dream. She asked. I often have nightmares and then Granny takes me into her bed. I can't stay in the dark. It all gets whispery. Now she is telling to their cook, because cook made her tried to make her sleep in her room. So now she is telling to Alice, their cook, that she is scared. She cannot stay in the dark. And she is saying, what will I do if I have a bad dream? And she says, I often have nightmares. She has nightmares, and then that time, because she was there in the room of grandmother, so Granny takes her into her bed. But today Granny is not there because Granny is in the hospital with Kezia's mother, and she feels that all gets whispery, means somebody is there in the room. Whenever she has nightmare, bad dreams, she feels like that. You just go to sleep, child, said Alice, pulling off her socks, and don't you scream and wake your poor pa. Now Alice says you just go to sleep, and she warned her that if you will scream, you will wake up your father. But the same old nightmare came. The butcher with a knife and a rope, who came nearer and nearer, smiling that dreadful smile, while she could not move, could only stand still, crying out, Grandma, Grandma. Now that night also she had that dream which she would often have. So what was the dream? Butcher. Who is butcher? Butcher is a person who cuts animals and who cuts meat. So now butcher with a knife in his hand and a rope, who came nearer and nearer, and she feels that he comes nearer and nearer with smile. Fearful, dreadful means fearful smile. And whenever she has that dream, she cannot move. She feels like she cannot move. She can only stand and she can cry only, Grandma, Grandma. And today also this thing happened, and when she cried, Grandma, Grandma, she woke shivering to see father beside her bed, a candle in his hand. And when she woke up from that dream, she was shivering that time. And what did she see? She saw her father beside her bed, and father was having a candle in his hand. What is the matter? He said. Now father asked Kezia what was the matter. Oh, a butcher, a knife, I want Granny. He blew out the candle, bent down, and caught up the child in his arms, carrying her along the passage to the big bedroom. Now Kezia told that she saw a butcher, a knife, and she wanted grandmother, Granny. So what father did now? Father caught Kezia in his arms and he carried her to the big bedroom, means in his own bedroom. A newspaper was on the bed. A half-smoked cigar was near his reading lamp. He put away the paper, threw the cigar into the fireplace, then carefully tucked up the child. He lay down beside her. half asleep, still with the butcher's smile, all about her, it seemed. She crept close to him, snuggled her head under his arm, held tightly to his shirt. Now, father, when they went to that room, father's bedroom, big bedroom, there was newspaper on the bed, and one half-smoked cigar was there near his reading lamp. He put away that paper. He kept away that paper and threw that cigar in the fireplace, and then carefully tucked up means covered up nicely. So he covered Kezia. He also lay down beside her, half asleep still. And now Kezia was still half asleep. Still she was feeling butcher's smile near her. But now she crept close to her father. Now she went towards her father and snuggled. Snuggled means moved into a warm, comfortable position, close to any person. So she snuggled towards her father and she held his shirt tightly. Then the dark did not matter. She lay still. Now the dark did not matter. Now she was not scared of darkness. Here, rub your feet against my legs and get them warm, said father. Now father said that you can rub your feet against father's legs so that feet would get warm. Tired out, he slept before the little girl. A funny feeling came over her. Poor father, not so big after all, and with no one to look after him. Now Kezia feels that father was not so much big as she felt before that, and he was so tired that he slept before Kezia. And a funny feeling came in the mind of Kezia now, and she feels that her father is a poor fellow, not so big, and he worked so hard for the family. He was harder than grandmother, but it was a nice hardness, and every day he had to work and was too tired to be Mr. McDonald. She had torn up all his beautiful writings. She stirred suddenly and sighed. Now what she feels, now such feelings are there in the mind of Kezia. Now she feels that mistake was done by her. That is why she was beaten by father. She torn important documents of father, and father was, though he was not like grandmother, but he was a nice person. Though he was hard, but that hardness was nice. Now these kind of feelings are there in the mind of Kezia, and she stirred suddenly and sighed, and all thinking all these things, she stirred and she sighed. What is the matter? Asked her father. Another dream? Now, though father was tired, he was asleep, but he woke up when he heard voice of Kezia, and he asked, another dream you have? Oh, said the little girl, my head is on your heart. Now Kezia is saying that her head was on his heart. I can hear it going, and she was able to hear heartbeat of father. What a big heart you have got, father dear. Now she feels that her father's heart was big. So earlier she would feel that her father was like a giant, like a monster, big face, big hands, and she was scared. But today she feels that her father was not that much big like a giant, but his heart was big. So at last we can say that she felt affection for her father now instead of fear. So here we end the story. Now it's time for homework, student. So today's homework is you will complete all the question answers given after the chapter, The Little Girl. You will do question answers in your homework notebook. So with this, I wish you good health. Stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you.